This is your first time in Argentina. After 850 people came to see you. So what's your take on this?
I mean, it's my first time, but I felt immediately a positive feeling with everybody. I see that we have the same blood and the same spirit in growing, in having knowledge, and also in welcoming people.
How do you feel working with our COLTENE team in Latin America?
You know, Lucas, your family, what you have found here, it is really something precious. And I wish you the best because you have made a great job here. With all the team, absolutely.
Thank you very much. It's a real pleasure working with you.
Thank you, Lucas.